Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CB500F twin-cylinder lightweight sport bike, standard style, ABS brakes, only 17,000 miles. It's got a little mini screen on the front, great for commuting, brand new tires, front and rear. Come on by. Make your commuter, lightweight, standard style dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.